to find the secret suppliers behind your favorite brands.
What you want to do is you want to head over to importyeti.com, and then you want to type in any supplier's name. So let's go ahead and type in, for example, Gucci. So it's Gucci America, click search, and then you're going to want to pick the right one. You could tell which one's the right one by seeing how many total shipments. Then you're going to want to click on it, and then if you scroll, it's going to show you all of Gucci's suppliers. They have multiple suppliers, and it also tells you how many total shipments they're bringing in from said supplier. You can click on any supplier that you want, and then it brings you to this page that shows you the name, address, their LinkedIn, all that stuff. And then if you scroll, it also tells you what other companies or customers they have. You can see here they also source to Balenciaga. From there, you would click on name, and it will take you to Google and show you their name, or you can click on address. And then when it takes you to Google, you'll be able to see their phone number and all that information, and you can go ahead and contact them if you want similar products made to that specific e-commerce brand or online store.